Oh, so that rear tire lost traction, basically spun out. And there he is. Nice impact to the back of the head. We're going to go ahead and scorpion it just a little bit. High throttle, lean angle, all contributed to me laying it down. All right, here we go. Oh, okay, let's go start from the beginning. Sorry about that, everybody. Oh, so that rear tire lost traction, basically spun out. And there he is. Nice impact to the back of the head. We're going to go ahead and scorpion it just a little bit, but backwards. No buenos. Let's take a quick look at what really happened here with the crash. Look, he's off the ground. He's floating. All right. There's the impacts. We're not wearing full gear. 1 second. I just wanted an excuse to have my Crocs in the thumbnail. So there's the head impact. So the spinal impact, the tailbone impact, all from a low side, weird thing like that. All right, big group ride, about to get ready. It looks like they just did their pre-ride meeting. He did not do the pre-ride meeting. And why did we just move on after that? MotoStars, what is going on? You can't just start that and then end it there. All right, so big group ride. They're doing a pre-ride meeting. You know, they're going to say, hey, we're going to go ahead and get to this point, but if you get lost a little bit, just meet us there. We'll be there for about 30 minutes. So that's what they're doing probably, right? I don't know. That's what I'd be doing in a big group ride. Maybe they're just watching some of the friends do some crazy things. Like maybe this person right here already off the bike. So he's going to go ahead and try to Flintstone it right here. So putting your feet down and dragging across the ground will not stop you. I don't know if I have to say that, but it won't stop you. So that is not going to be the appropriate maneuver. So what do we see here, everybody? Brown stage. Complete brown stage. Didn't know what to do. Screwed up. Going way too fast. The person on the other side is like, I'm getting my rescue kit. We're about to rescue this rider. We're going to make sure we can stop any major bleeds. But, you know, I'm remaining calm. It's not my emergency, his emergency. And our own safety, pretty easy to do. Now, if you need to quickly assess the severity, we do have this on the back side of the card, which comes with every rescue kit. And you could go ahead and check all those different things. But let's go ahead and go into slow-mo. Let's see if I still remember it. There we go. So he's going to do ghost riding a little bit. I don't know why he jumped off the bike. It's a little interesting choice. Not something I would want to do. And he's going to aim right for that pole. Now, we hit the pole. We're going to start flying everywhere. The bike's going to land right on our knees. And we're going to slide, and we almost hit that van. All right, so Flintstone, run, and hit the pole. Lots and lots of damage. A high mechanism of injury. If you don't know what mechanism of injury, let's see if I can put it on the screen. There we go. It's going to be how we determine what type of damage pretty much happened to the body by watching the scenario, watching the situation. Somebody jumps off a roof. Let's say a normal roof, about 12 to 13 feet, you might have broken bones. It could be compression fractures to the spine, or you could be fine. Or you could have a rolled ankle. But if you know that they jumped off a roof, you know you're going to have leg injuries and possible spine injuries. If somebody gets hit in the head with a bat, you know that there's going to be a head injury versus having injuries to like the knee. So when you see something like this, what do I see? I see a massive amount of injuries because now we're hitting the pole. Now we're bouncing around and it's at high speed. So we call it multi-system trauma. So you have injuries to the lungs, injuries to the organs, injuries to the brain, so the nervous system, injuries to the musculoskeletal system, injury to the skin. Skin's an organ. It's the largest organ you have. So you're going to have lots of different problems here. Cardiovascular system, so bleeding out. Multi-system trauma, not a good mechanism of injury. So what we have to hopefully mitigate that is gear. So make sure you guys are being smart riders, acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment. We have links in the description. It's for RevZilla. It's at ddfromcrew.com/beginner gear. It's going to take you to RevZilla, and they have a lot of really good beginner gear. Relatively inexpensive, but safe gear. Make sure you wear it. Oh, didn't make it. Oh, it's a Grum. Oh.
Holy red.
Dude, you can break your coccyx, which is your tailbone. Stop thinking like that, kids. But right there, easily could have a spinal injury. So I know we're having a good time. We're having fun. I'm not going to say don't have fun. Do what you want to do. But if I was that homeowner over there trying to sleep, I'd be really pissed off. So we're going to go ahead and fall down. And that's where we're going to have a big impact. So just think about that. Look how high it is. So this is the moment we lose center of gravity and we start to fall. That is probably 6 to 8 feet, from the head. Maybe even more. That's probably like 10 feet from the head. Okay, so if our head falls 10 feet and hits the ground, that's a lot of gravity and a lot of momentum, inertia, physics, Newton's laws and stuffs. That's going to hit the head. Thankfully, he's got a helmet. So there's the coccyx, which is going to be your tailbone and possibly your right iliac crest. It's your hip bone. I like using big words. And then you got your elbow, which I forgot what the big word was for that. And then shoulder, your acroclavicular joint, AC joint. Head hit the ground. See that? Let's take a look. Look at this. Look at this right here. Boink. Boink. Bounces. That is your skull. So if you didn't have a helmet, it's cracked open. If you have a helmet, maybe a concussion. Not good. So he's probably got a headache. He's probably a little embarrassed, but I'd be concerned about this stuff right here. Head injury symptoms, disorientation, nausea, vomiting, any type of vision impairment so they can't see. They got double, triple, quadruple vision. Loss of balance. So if he stands up and he starts to wobble, no, he's got a head injury, guys. Not very good. And he's going to maybe have a headache. And if it's persistent, so I'm talking like for a day or two, not good. And these symptoms can happen that night. It can happen the next day. So check up on your buddy even after something like that. It's just a quick text. Hey, buddy, how's your head? You good? Yeah, I got a headache. You should probably get that checked. Part of being a smart rider is acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment. So make sure you grab yourself a jacket just like this one from RevZilla using the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It helps me out. No extra cost to you. Plus, it lets RevZilla know that the DDiffin crew is pretty badass and they actually grab some gear. Anyways, click that link. I'll see you soon. All right, Math KTM, here we go. Bicyclist is almost beating you. We're going to look behind us, get mad. We got sun in the eyes.
What it means to keep a safe distance, and his aggressive behavior leads to a complete disarray.
Uh-oh. What are we going to do here, everybody? We're going to cause more problems? Yes, we are. All right, let's escalate this. Let's make it better. Go ahead and get your phone out, get your camera, because it's going to save you in this situation. Truly, it will. 2 dudes. Oh, I'm sorry, 1 dude. Well, there's still 2 dudes. Oh, whoa. You gotta put the car in park, dude. Oh, how embarrassing. Not only did you hit your wife, but you hit somebody's motorcycle. You have to put it in park. It's almost like somebody parking their motorcycle and forgetting to put the side stand down. All right, here we go. Bandit J. Hey, that's nice of you. Now put it back. No, put it back.
To accept in splitting that he decides to deliberately hit the biker and just drives off.
Hey, you stalled. There you go. So we're gonna get hit by the guy that you touched. Oh, nope. Okay. Oh, yeah, that was on purpose at that point. This is why you have motorcycle insurance.
Mate, are you joking? What was that about?
Just get his information if you can, at least the license plate.
I've got.
Turn him in to the cops. Check your bike. Make sure it's okay for you to go home. Safe for you to go home. But just turn it into the cops. It's a hit and run at that point. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here, or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.